Entertainment.
Good morning, you guys. I missed y'all. I really did. Good morning. God, Lee, it's like time just be going by so fast. You wait for that specific time and time is just fly. It's just fly away. Good morning, beautiful people. Thank you guys for tuning in. So let me go ahead and set my levels. Good morning, Nick A. Trades here. We here. Hope everybody had a beautiful Christmas, beautiful New Year's. I'm live streaming if that's okay. Yeah, that's cool. Good morning, Trader Graves. Good morning, Jay. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. So, good morning, Kashaya. I'm feeling pretty good. It's a new year, fresh year. That means fresh price action. So let's get to it. We got 4 minutes until 9:30. I do want to show you guys. I did not trade Asian session, but it was a beautiful setup for Asian session. Look at that. Just beautiful. So, Asian session, I look for like a 6 to 7. I look for my buy side and sell side between 6 and 7. Hold on. My thing's not working. There we go. So this right here was the buy side. There was no sell side. Basically, would have used a previous daily low to be taken out first, which is my setup. Good morning, Zay. Good morning, Reese. And took out this low. Beautiful SMT here. Displaced here. It took out this high. This candle right here came back down and tapped into it beautifully. It did not hit the 50% of it, but that was a beautiful setup for Asian session. It tapped that fair value gap around 733. But this is my setup to the T, but I did not take it. I was trying to just be disciplined and just wait for today, wait for this morning. I'm doing good, Zay. So yeah, but it definitely was a perfect setup there. I do want to go to the daily time frame real quick. Yeah, so we have okay, what is this? Oh, that's my lines. Okay, I'm gonna have to create them again. I'm gonna have to put them there again. So, okay, so this is on a daily time frame. It took out the previous daily low, which was holiday has been going on. I think Tuesdays, the 31st low. So it took out that low. It has yet to take out the previous daily high. So I'm kind of aiming for it to take out this daily fair value gap, but there is some liquidity here. But there is a SMT on a higher time frame, and there was, I repeat, was a 4-hour fair value gap here. This is the 50%. It first rejected off of it. Hold on, let me put this on ES, because ES would have been a beautiful entry on the 4-hour time frame. This is basically what I'm looking at. Good morning, Michelle. Happy New Year. Good morning. I missed you guys. I did. It was a beautiful setup on ES as well. It hit the 50% and it came down at first, and it took out all of this sell side here, and then it pumped up. So it basically rejected off of the 4-hour and then like pushed right through it and then inverted it here. Now there was also a setup during Asian session for ES as well, and I'm gonna show you guys that. me move this over because I'm like moving. So this was the setup for ES, my perfect setup. It took out the previous daily low. It was a SMT here, and price came back down. It did not tap into the fair value gap here, but there was an order block here, a bullish order block, and it tapped off of it perfectly. So this is what it would have looked like for ES. Stop loss would have been here, and then, you know, take profit could have been this. I mean, so many take profits could have been taken there on ES. So that was some good setups there. So there's some clean price action. So hopefully we can find something this morning. News was at 8:30. It was unemployment claims. So now we have 9:30 open, which explains this here. So we're gonna just trying to find a nice trade this morning. I do need to mark my levels though. I need to mark my zones. Yeah, I hope everybody had a blessed New Year's and Christmas. Alright, I need to adjust. This is just annoying because I have to keep doing this. Making it a little darker so I can see. Okay, so it took out London high. Yeah, took out this London high right here. And this was London low. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this 4 hour because it just disrespected it. Okay, yes, it's midnight open. Yeah, you hear it? Yeah, I've been studying, man. I've been studying. And it's a new year, so it's like, it's you know, gotta have that motivation. It is gonna be 2025 is okay, Zayd. I did see your email. I just gotta figure out, you know, what direction I want to go with that. Okay, so it is tanking now. It's tanking. It already took out the previous daily low, so. I'm gonna mark this as Asia low. Yeah, it's 7:15. Yeah, I'm gonna mark that as Asia low. Okay, it just broke through midnight open and London low. I gotta do my brackets. I see a little wedge. Right? That's not it. Yeah. Yep. But I mean the opening gap been filled right here. But it look like it's gonna tap it again. My bias, I don't really have a bias right now because it took out the previous daily low. Can't really see it because I have this line, but it took out the previous daily low. And you already have like this downtrend right here. So it's like I can't say bearish for it to take out like this wick right here from December the 20th, Friday. You know, which is the higher time frame sell side liquidity, and you know there's equal lows over here. You know, just looking at, you know, the future in the next few days, looking for it to take out all this liquidity. Then you have this internal sell side, which is all these lows here. But there is a daily fair value gap here that has yet to be filled, and 75% of this daily fair value gap has been filled. So yeah, it filled in 75% of this gap, so it still kind of have this area that hasn't been filled all the way, but it has been tapped into enough though for it to reverse, which is what it did. It's more of half of this daily candle. So I'm just gonna watch price action. I don't really have like a bias just yet because it took out the previous daily low, so I'm trying to basically just watch it. Look like it's dumping. And ES has actually taken out the previous daily high already. NAS, of course, has not taken out the previous daily high. She got the low from last night. Yeah, Asian low. That's what it looked like it's doing too. The SMT that I have marked on the higher time frame may be invalid. Which is this right here, because it already had filled in this. It went right through the 4-hour fair value gap here in the higher time frame. But yeah, so I'm waiting for it to take out this Asian low and just see if I'll have like a market structure shift or a displacement or something, you know, showing me what they want to do. Oh man, I really don't like the way it's moving though, to be honest. Cause it's like, it look like it's gonna do something stupid. It's kind of, I don't want to prejudge though, but I don't like the way it's moving right now. And I like that it's volatile though. Bear structure, like you said, so I had the same thoughts. Yeah, just watching. I want to mark the Asian low for ES too, so I know when it's taken out. It's like anytime price like moves like that, it's like it'll just push right back up with that same impulse. So it's like we can be like, oh, it's gonna be bearish, and the next thing you know, it done freaking had this big old behind bullish candle, and we're in the bullish market now. So it's like I don't want to prejudge and say anything really, but it's definitely filling out this range. Like this is previous daily high, previous daily low. So we broke out this low right here, which was the London low. They already took the London high right here. So yeah, it look like it's, you know, it actually was an entry on that 850 macro right at 840 right here. It was a gap right here, so if you traded at 830, that would have been, this would have been a nice little drop. Could have got in right here off this bounce right at 850, and that would have been a beautiful trade right there. But I don't trade 830. I still be trying to get myself together. And y'all, this is huge for me because I'm not a morning person at all. I'm really not. So I ain't gonna lie, I be struggling to get to the computer in the mornings. I be struggling. So it's like, it's definitely something I'm gonna have to get used to for sure. Yeah, it's looking like it's about to take out that Asian low. So after it takes out this Asian low, then I'll kind of be looking for something. But I'm not gonna lie, it's like and previous monthly low right here. Wow, it lines right up with the high time frame sell side liquidity. Dang, I was not looking for it to be doing all of this. Sound funny? Dang, boys. I mean, it did not take out that previous daily high, but ES did. Just gonna watch it, y'all. Plus, I don't trade until like the the macro time anyway, 9:50 to 10:10. But I still have my 10 to 11 silver bullet time, so you know, time just has to match up. But it's like what I'm noticing when price do this, it has this huge drop. It's like you want to continue with the trend, but also watch for the reversal too. Watch for that reversal because, you know, it has to fill in all the imbalance that it just literally created. As long as you have like a SMT and like a displacement, a market structure shift, I mean, shoot, that's a clear entry. SMT is basically divergence. Like, if you heard of divergence, it's just another term of divergence. It's basically, it's like as a high is kind of like slanted, like this right here would be considered a SMT right here, because this is I can't really explain it, but it's basically when you have one high that's kind of cat corner to the high or the low, this would be considered an SMT. Like that setup I showed y'all from Asian session. Let me tell you. Let me show you. So yeah, what you want to look for after price takes out like a high or a low, you want to look for, hold on, let me adjust this real quick. You want to look for like a displacement, which is this right here. I mean, not displacement, SMT, which is right here. So after it takes out a low, you're looking for like a SMT. This is considered a SMT divergence. This low is like, I don't know the word I can use, but it's like a slanted type situation. You gotta see one high has to be higher than the other, or one has to be lower than the other, basically. And then it'll form a fair value gap, which it did right here, and it tapped into it right here. And that's your buy entry right here. When this candle taps it, you want to get in right after this candle close, or put like a buy limit here for it to take off. This is basically my setup. It took this high right here, so you wanted to take the high and then come back and tap into this fair value gap. Do you have to compare it to the other indices? What you mean? Yeah, I mean, you can use it for any pair. You can use it for any pair. US 30, gold. You know, it don't only just work on NAS. It work on other pairs too. But yeah, this is basically my setup. You have 3 confluences. It took out a low, 1, SMT divergence, 2, and then if you have to have a fair value gap. When you have all 3 of those things, that's a whole formula for your setup. And it's also considered a market structure shift when it takes a higher low. Same like right here. Perfect example on ES right here. Hold on, let me because I'm waiting for it to take out the low. But yeah, basically for ES, let me see if you can see it. Perfect example. It took out the high. It took out the high. You have a fair value gap here. And see how it tapped it? It tapped into it. And then it dropped. But see, this one is not really a SMT. This is just a market structure shift. This is considered a market structure shift. MSS. Which means it took out the high, and it's considered also manipulation as well, because if you know anything about the power of 3, you have accumulation, and then you have manipulation, and then you have the distribution. Manipulation is it taking out basically what ICT says, like the retail traders. Like retail traders, they see this long candle here, and they'll have like a buy stop up here. So you're taking out all the buy stops, It's manipulating higher, and then it just basically reverse on its way down. So your entry will be right here, stop loss will be right here, then of course you can have your take profit to be like right here. You know what I'm saying? But that would have been, like I'm saying, it was an entry at like 850, but I don't trade at 850 macro. But this is a market structure shift. Now with the SMT, that's just like another way you can get in as well. You know what I mean? This one don't really have a SMT. Or you can say, or you can have this to be our SMT, but I wouldn't count that as a SMT because it's too close. You know what I'm saying? It has to be like a little distance away, like this right here. It has to be a little distance away. You know what I mean? You got to be like, you know, take out the low or high, and then it got to be lower or higher than that. And it doesn't matter. Like, it can be a low or it can be a high. You know what I'm saying? Like this low can be a little higher, and it can go like this, just like for Asian session, the example I showed for Asian session. So yeah, this is basically the setup that I use right here. It happens all the freaking time. Like, it just depends on the conditions of the market, like news or something like that. So one thing that like I have to work on is if like how whatever last day I had traded, I waited for my setup and it just didn't play out. It's like I can't be upset about it because I actually waited and I was patient. I would rather lose like that than lose disobeying my rules. You know what I'm saying? I would rather lose like that than lose and I did something stupid. So yeah, I'm basically waiting for it to take out this Asian low right here. It's inverting this new day opening gap here. So the gap that it had created right here. So we wait. Not forcing anything. Hey, Lamp Trades, good morning. And we're not forcing nothing. We're waiting on our setups. We're not being impulsive. And yeah, my people home today, so you're gonna hear some stuff in the background. The churn are still out of school. They don't go back until Monday. So you see some hollering or screaming or something like that. That's what it is. Yeah, patience, Reese, for sure. This is where we wait. Yeah, I took out the London high. I took out this London low. And it's like, when it comes to this, you don't really, yeah, you look for it to take out a low. But being that the low is like in the middle of this little range right here, this leg, you know, it's just dangerous to get in that type of trade. But it is a fair value gap right here. But I don't know. Sometimes those can be high probability setups. Like if you take a setup like in the middle of a range, if it's a gap right there. So it may be a sell opportunity, but it's dangerous because it still has not taken out the high. ES did, but NAS did not take out the previous day. Good morning, T-Money. Good morning, Donald Trump. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, discipline for sure, Reese. Yes, yes, yes. I do want to see how it reacts off of this fair value gap though. I'm gonna delete this midnight open. I know you done took a trade this morning, T-Money. I know you done took a sell somewhere. I know you took a trade this morning. Oh. Alright, it is in that fair value gap. We at the 950 macro. Are you welcome, Kashaya? Took my sell before market open on YM. Yeah, up for the day. Took the sell. Yep. Y'all some daredevils. Y'all trade on the open. I can't. I tried it. It's like when I first started trading ICT concepts. I tried it. But it's just I just didn't know. I just could not catch that setup. Excuse me. It could be a displacement here, guys. It could be a displacement here. That's a nice rejection. Got chicken out. It's like I would be all in for sales on NAS to take a sell off of this, but it didn't take out this previous daily high. So it can double back and be like, hold on, wait a minute, let me take out this high first. If I were to get in on this sell right here. And I just think it's just dangerous to get in, hop in on that. But this would be the trade right here. Did it? Heck yeah, it did. Let me see. Yeah, see. And it's on a 2-minute. And it just created this gap. Got 2 more minutes. I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes. Because it just left a fair value gap here. Now this can be a displacement. Because guess what we have here? A SMT. So this could be lining up for buys. It's totally disrespecting this 5-minute gap. But it just created this right here. So I'm going to be on the lookout for it to come down and tap into this gap right here. Yeah, it totally disrespected that. See, I'm glad I didn't get in on that. That's why I wait for candle closes. You gotta wait for candle closes. So now what I'll be waiting on, I'll be waiting for it to let me see how this would be looking. Stop loss would be like right here. Wait a minute, what time frame is on? 88. Oh no. Hold on a minute. Yeah, that's for real. That's too many ticks, man. That stop loss too wide, bro. I needed to. Okay, so if it's going up there to take out that high, we're gonna see how it reacts. Well, this is the daily. It's the high of the day right here. It's the daily high. This is the high of the day so far. From 7:15 this morning. But yeah, I just did the math on that right there. That's an 88 tick stop. 90. No. The math ain't mathing with that, fam. So I'm gonna have to. I don't know. That stop is way too high. The most I'll risk is like 50 ticks. That's way too much, bro. That's way too. My setup presented itself. Had I don't know this right. Yeah. Well, it's leaving without us. It's cool. Have to be comfortable with the fact that you're not gonna catch that setup or even take a trade. You have to be selective on your setups. Like, you can't just take anything. You got to wait for the perfect setup. If there's not one between that macro time, then I still have opportunity between 10 and 11, which is the silver bullet. The macro time just gives you like that volume to go in that direction. But if it's not my setup, I'm not taking it. But yeah, if it were to come back down though and displace that, I don't know how I would. The risk on that is way too much. It's like I would normally risk between 20 to 50, but that'll be right in the middle of this gap, so that wouldn't be a smart stop loss. Like, because I normally would take my setups on like the 1 minute, but it didn't really show anything. Let me delete this real quick. Yeah, that was not a 1 minute entry. I need to see if this candle has a wick on it, but yeah, it wasn't an entry for me. Not for me anyway. I know somebody probably caught something off of this reversal right here. Excuse me. Yeah, look at that 15 though. 15 didn't give no gaps. Ooh, shoot. Look at that hourly. Sheesh. My God. My God. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now that it's pushing up, the daily fair value gap may be the draw right now. You might be trying to hit that 50% of that daily gap or just tap it. Ooh, that 1 hour though. Sheesh, bro. My God. That was a wedge too. Yeah, it was a wedge. It just wasn't a pretty one, because I would rather get this low on the wedge. Like, bring it from here like that, but that's too steep. Ooh, shoot. That's why I said I didn't like the way price was moving. I said that. I said whenever you got price moving down impulsively like that, it has to fill in all of the job, and it just reversed so strong. So we have 1 minute and 20 seconds until this candle closes. We have two imbalances here. So the question is, if it pulls back, is it going to pull back all the way into this gap here, or is it just going to touch this one and leave this open, or what? Just have to wait. Got about 11 minutes until this macro over though. Okay, it's pulling back a little bit now. Yeah, this is not my setup. What's up, Amen? You got bad news. What's going on? Yeah, it look like it's gonna take out this daily high. But even if it takes out this high of the day, I would want it to take out that previous daily high first before making, because it hasn't taken, notice y'all, it's doing all of this. It hasn't taken a high nor a low. It hasn't taken the Asian low, and it hasn't taken the previous daily high. Previous daily high, and it hasn't taken the daily high. So it's basically showing off in this little range right here. And you want to be careful also, because it was a big expansion overnight. It started to push right at 7:15. Large expansion. So anytime you have like a large expansion, you know, you just have to be careful. Because ICT basically tells us not to really trade. Amen. What happened? You overtraded? Did you journal? You win some, you lose some. But you gotta live to fight another day. It's all good, man. Just make sure you learn from it, though. Make sure you understand why you lost. And journal. Journal. Even if you don't have, like, no journal like this, just write it out. Just write a whole paragraph on why you lost. You don't even have to do nothing fancy. Just write it out, man. Write out your emotions, what you was feeling, why you lost, what you could have did better, all that type stuff. Keep up with it. And just make sure it don't happen again. Just try your best not to have it to happen again. Because I know sometimes we let our emotions take over. That's when the discipline and patience come in at. Did you trade Asian? You had to trade Asian. Or London. Yeah, spit that out. Mom told me if I had like a cough, you gotta spit that cold. She used to literally get angry with me if I didn't spit that cold out. Now I'm trading on my funded futures. I don't have a Top Step account right now. I took a L. I done journaled and put that trade behind me. I done forgot what day it was. The last time I streamed, I had lost. But I was risking like $140 though. I had got it up to like $191. I lost $140 something. But yeah, I don't have a Top Step account right now. I'm only trading on my funded futures right now. But I am gonna get some. But the goal is to like get like 2 or 3 of them and then trade copy trade. I want to try the copy trade. I want to try it. Excuse me. I want to try it. Cause I feel like if I do that, then it'll kind of help me with my discipline. Cause I know if I have these copy trades. I have these accounts traded. If I lose it, then that's it. You know what I'm saying? And it's a good way to pass your accounts fast too. I don't know, y'all. Took my first trade. Oh, Top Step confused you. How? Took my first trade thinking I was shorting, but why am I was in shorts? With gold. Oh, yeah. Sometimes, yeah, you have to look on that side because, hold on, let me go in here. Because, let me see. Yeah, you got to be careful because the way you switch through the instruments, it can be a little tricky. It can be a little tricky. So, yeah, so when you go over here, you have the instruments over here. They say we on NQ right now. So you want to go to YM. See how it don't switch over here? So you literally got to go over here and do M and then go to the dial. You have to do it like that, because if you don't, it's not gonna switch it. It's not gonna switch it. T47, thank you so much. Same to you. T47. I don't know why I was about to say O47. My eyes are deceiving me. Yeah, you gotta be careful with that, Reese. You really do, because you'll be in a whole different trading symbol, and you not. Yeah, I think it's gonna take out these highs first. But if you got in on this, that's good. It just wasn't my setup, bro. But I don't like the way it's moving. I really don't. We got 40% bullish, 40% bearish, 20% neutral, 10 volts. Yeah, it's a little wonky this morning. It's a little wonky. So being that the market is moving a little wonky, I don't think I'm gonna risk that much. But thank y'all for tuning in. If this your first time, tell me where you from. Appreciate 17 people here. Thank y'all so much. I hope y'all had a blessed Christmas and a happy new year. This is the second day of the new year. We're gonna start out 2025 right. Like I said in my video I posted. Well, it didn't post until the next day because something going on with my signal. I couldn't freaking upload it when I wanted to. Alright, so it's rejected off of this 830 open right here. I don't know, the 5 minute just looking cleaner to me right now. But I don't want to miss like an entry on a 1, but the conditions are looking pretty, I don't know. Just gotta be patient. But the first thing got to happen. It has to take a high or a low. So I'm noticing that I'm trading real hesitant this morning. I almost feel like I'm in a little scare. But I'm like, I'm gonna trade this thing. I'm trading. Yeah, it happens. It happens, Michelle. Cause I was like after I had lost, I was a little uneasy, so that's why I kind of went back to the drawing board and kind of studied a little bit and, you know, took a refresher. So with me not trading, it actually helped me to take a break from the charts, because sometimes you can get like overwhelmed without really knowing it, because in your head you're just like, okay, I gotta find something, I gotta find a setup, I gotta make money, but you gotta really take all of that out your head. Like you really have to take all of that out your head. And like when I saw that setup on Asian session as clear as day, then I was like, okay, yeah, okay, I'm more confident. I got my confidence back, you know. So I understand the feeling, Michelle. I understand the feeling. It's just, I don't know. It's I guess like with experience, if you feel like that, like maybe just not risk a lot. Maybe not risk a lot, because you want to make sure that you're confident when you come to the charts, you know. So yeah, I haven't seen my setup yet. Yes, they haven't taken out a low, so maybe it was like max daily profits. I don't take first trade. The first trade, the first time we look. Oh man, you was up 1100. What? You was up 1100. Yeah, you gotta take those profits, Amen. You got to take them when you can, bro. For real, because you don't want to lose the opportunity. You don't want to miss the opportunity. You don't know how far price. That's like if I was in buys right here, right? You could at least, did you take partials? See, like, I know what you mean. But it's like if you take partials, You could have set your stop loss to break even, or you could have moved your stop loss up. So if it came back down, then you would have had at least some type of profit. So in that case, you can still have your rules. Of course, you always have to have rules, but if you manage your trades better, then you'll be more profitable, because at least you're not keeping your risk out there. You was forced to get 5 contracts and stuff. Yeah. You close the trade 1100%. Oh, okay. Whew. I'll take the pop back then. Okay, alright. I thought you said you wanted 1100, but you wanted 2K. So I was thinking that you held it and then you lost it. Okay. Woo! I was about to say. That's good. Yeah, sometimes, man, you have a you have a profit that you want to have in mind, but like I try not to really focus on how much I want to make, though, because that's when you start losing. Like, if I was a trade right now and I just wanted more to take out this previous daily high, that has to be like a runner. You know what I'm saying? It has to be a runner instead of, like, say if you got in down here and you don't move your stop loss up, at least move it up half the way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I had to learn, though, because I would just hold. I wouldn't take no partials or nothing, and then they'll go all the way back to my entry, and I done been up God knows how much, and then yeah. It's hovering around this 8:30 open, y'all. Why didn't it? Hold on. This freaking indicator that's been doing what it want to do, bro. Look at that 1 hour rejection, though. Based off of that, it's like that is putting a bad taste in my mouth. I know I ain't about to force nothing. I'm not forcing nothing, bro. The way this hourly candle just... Sheesh. I wanted to take out this high, and I wanted to displace higher into this daily fair value gap. That's what I wanted to happen. I'm not even going to be worried about this Asian low right now, because if it wanted to take it out, it would have took it out by now. You know what I'm saying? It missed it by like 44 ticks. That's a lot. That's a lot of ticks to miss. It purposely did that. Bro, if you're set up doing present itself, just watch. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not forcing nothing. Because if it wanted to take out this Asian low, it would have took it out. But of course I wait for my setup for it to drop. But sometimes you just don't get that, because it already done pulled back. So if it takes out this high, you know, I mean, it could come back down, but it's a daily fair value gap up here, right here. So I just think it's gonna be a continuation bullish push up to at least tap this bottom of this fair value gap. But it depends. So like me, what you do, Reese? But it can though, because sometimes price will reject perfectly and do a shift and just drop down. But we'll see, because it can probably take out this daily high, not even touch the previous daily high and drop. So you just gotta watch price and see what it's doing. But so far it's just ish. price. Took out these relative equal lows over here. Took out them lows. Came on. And didn't take out this low. It's a previous monthly low. That's huge. It took out it's a previous monthly low down there. That is huge, bro. Look at the weekly real quick. Yeah. It took out last week's low. And then it didn't take out the week before that. Took out the previous daily low. So it's like anytime price. It's like you really don't want to be in this. Because it's like if this candle don't close above previous daily highs, it's like it's just going to consolidate. And it's just going to turn into a freaking consolidation show, really. But yep, the macro time is over with. So let's just wait and see. Sit on your hands, people. Sit on your hands. Unless that's not your... Yeah, I told y'all the price was going to go up on my funded futures. They're not playing. They went up. I think I saved a screenshot of it. Oh, no, that's not the screenshot, stupid. I thought I saved it. Alright, we're moving down again. It's losing its momentum. It's wicking out a little bit. But yeah, they went up on the prices. That's why I went ahead and got that 165 expert. No rules, no consistency rule, no max daily. I mean, no daily loss. Of course, you're always gonna have a max daily loss because you know you can't lose that much. But no consistency rule, no activation fee. Yeah, I don't have to worry about that. I do have to ask though, like if, you know, God forbid, if I feel it, like, will it still be that price or will I have to pay the new price monthly? I think I'm gonna have to ask that in the chat. Go to the chat and ask that. But my goal is to just take my time and just, you know, not too much time, because you don't really want to take too much time in these doggone things, because that means you're gonna have to keep paying that monthly fee. But if it happens that way, I mean, yeah, of course you pay it. But all right, well, we still waiting. Oh, you locked in, Kashaya? Okay. If you want to reset, okay, cool. Yeah, I know you. You heavy with my funded future, so I know you know what you're talking about. Yeah, this my first my funded futures account. My first time using it. Yeah, I saw that. But it's like I really don't know too much about it, so I kind of just, you know, chilled a little bit. Ooh-wee. Oh, wrong time frame. Hold on. Alright. What we got here. It's the 1 minute time frame. We got a little fair value, got a little something right here. But let me see. Oh, my neck. Got a little something right here. Got a little action or something. But it hasn't taken out no high. Look at ES. Because ES has already taken a previous daily high. Okay? ES not playing. He already took out the previous daily high. Man, what the heck is going on, bro? My first time too, but when I went through their chats, because people had the same question. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, they do have a Discord. They do. Man, what the heck is going on between the sheets in my home? Man, this made me not even want to trade today. I'm not gonna lie. This is suspect. The probability is looking like December, and I don't like it. Like, what is this? Let me move this, because this is too much crap going on. I'm about to have a fit. Okay, guys. Let me see. Ooh. No, it's not lagging. But if you haven't paid your fee, it's gonna lag. That's how I found out when I first started trading futures. I saw it was a delay. It'll have like a yellowish orangish thing like on the top where you see this water drop at, this water drip icon. It'll have like D right there. I didn't know what the heck was going on. I'm like, why is my charge lagging? And I had to pay it. It was time to pay it. Right, we are digging into this fair value gap down here, guys. I just don't like the way it's doing it. And that's still a lot of ticks though. Like, that stop loss, I can't. 86 ticks. Okay, if I'm using one contract, that'll be $172. But then that'll be, let's see. I don't know, y'all. This stop loss, it's like my setup only because of this SMT right here, but it didn't take a high or a low. But this is my setup because you see how it's rejecting off of this. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle. I didn't let my reversal route. It didn't close out early. I think Express gonna cut me shit right now. Are you in the Express? Ooh, yeah. Don't be like me, man. I was shivering. I was shaking in my boots. Cause it's like you gotta, man. That's what my problem lies right now. Like shutting them emotions off and just having confidence in yourself, like you trading a freaking prop firm. But it's like once your mind click and it's real, then you're like, oh, Oh, so we ain't on no combine no more. Oh, congratulations, Michelle. We have 2 funders. I don't know, y'all. This stop loss. I don't like this stop loss. I'm okay with not taking this. I don't like that stop. That stop loss is 86 ticks. That's too much. I think it's because it's on the 5 minute too. Like the 5 minute is excuse me. I mean, I can do 1 contract and risk 172, but I wanted to take out this Asian low though. No, I don't think so. Yeah, walking on eggshells. Yeah, we gonna have to break out of that for real. That's what I'm saying. Maintaining it. That's why I messed up at, man. I passed. That's what I'm saying. I passed 2 combines in a week, and it's like as soon as I got it, I couldn't keep up with it. I got 1 account up to 6,000. I did my payout, but it's like after I did the payout, then that's when it just changed. So I just feel like maybe I took a payout too early, or like, I don't know. It's almost like once I make money, just don't trade the next day. Let it settle for a minute. Because it's not hard passing them. It's not. It's really not hard. Okay, so on the 2 minute, yeah, I did. I left myself a cushion. It was at like, it wasn't like directly at 6,000, but it was like 5. It was at 5 something, and I took like 2,000. So I had like 2,000 or something back left in there. But it's like after I took that payout, it's like nothing was going for me after I took that payout. And they had the same thing happen with me on my other account. So I feel like maybe I should just wait a little bit and let it settle a little bit. But I'm not gonna lie, I needed some bills paid, so I kind of went ahead and just did it. And it would have helped out. Like, it would have kind of set me back where I needed to be financially. But that's another thing. I don't need to do that, because if I would have kind of still had that cushion in there, you know, I don't know. It's like something in my psychology kind of shifted. Yeah, the trading guy. Yeah. I feel you on that. I feel you on that. So it's like now you got that feeling that you can do it, so you're chasing that feeling to keep them. And it's like once you lose them, it's like you get that like, you get that motivation to get right back where you was, but you have to. It's like you have to keep your emotions in check. And when I say that, I'm speaking to myself too, like, because it's like, I don't know, it's just something shifts mentally. Because you're just thinking, when you trade on these combines, it's like, alright, it ain't my money. Whatever, I'm just, not saying you're doing it carelessly like that, but it's like your mental is like, okay, I'm gonna try to pass it. But it's not, it's a different mindset when it's like, okay, these are real funds now I can trade with. But I mean, it's simulated, but, and it's a lot of talk about that. It's like people downplay it, like with Top Step, like you get funded and it's like you get simulated funded, and they be like, you don't wanna be, what did the guy say? You don't wanna be a sim monkey trading the simulated accounts, and your payouts are coming from people who's failing their accounts. I can care less where the money is coming from. If I'm able to pay my bills and get payouts consistently, I don't give a crap if it's a simulated account or a live account. That's just my opinion. A lot of people say you shouldn't want to be in a simulated funded account all the time, stuff like that. But I mean, of course, as a trader, your goal is to wanna trade a live account. But I mean, if you're consistently getting payouts, you know, and eventually you'll get moved up to a live. But if you getting payouts, I mean, it shouldn't matter where the money should come in. It's like that kills me with some people. They feel like they just so, I can't think of the word, but it just annoys me. That's why I that's why I just stay in my own lane, really, when it comes to that. I'm not about to debate with nobody. I ain't got time for that. There's too much things going on in the world. New Orleans is in shambles right now. And just last night, some freaking 10 people got killed. So y'all be safe, man. Be safe out there. Like, just stay prayed up. Just stay prayed up, man, and repent daily and stay in the word, because we are living in the last days. There's so much stuff happening in the world. Like New Orleans, buildings collapsing for no reason. I mean, it's a spiritual thing. So you just have to be woke and stay woke. Yes, we're trying to make money in these charts, but at the same time, you know, we all gonna have our time, you know. Not to talk all deep up, not try to be too deep, but you know, it's real life, man. And you just got to just stay prayed up, man. You never know when it's your time. And there's so much crazy stuff going on in the last couple of days. People dying for nothing. Nothing. It was said to be a terrorist attack or something. We don't know. We just regularly working people that go to work and try to make money for our family. That's it. It's like it's like when it comes to that stuff, I don't want to say it will never happen, you know, because you never know. But at the same time, it's like it's like we're living in two different like mind spaces. When it comes to the charts, you know, because even if you were working a 9 to 5, or if you are working a 9 to 5, you have to still make money. Like, kids need food. Like, we need stuff for the house. We need dish detergent. You can't have dirty clothes. It's like these earthly things, man. People still need them. So it's like when you talk spiritual stuff, it's like, man, all right, I gotta go to work. But like you gotta stay woke, y'all. Just stay woke, man. For real. Stay woke. Well, it's looking like a no trade today. I don't know. We're gonna wait for this 1050 macro. But I'm sitting on my hands until I see my setup. I really wanted to take out this Asian low to possibly displace lower or higher, or take out one of these highs. But it's like, as of right now, we literally like in this range right now between the previous daily high and the Asian low. Let me see, previous daily high and Asian low. Yeah, it hasn't taken out this high, so it's in a discount right now. So I don't see my setup, so I'm not taking nothing. I'm not just gonna take something just because I'm streaming. Because at the end of the day, these my accounts. I got to face the music with it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, ES probably, it would have been a setup. I mean, it was a setup on NAS as well at the 850 macro with this fair value gap right here. This would have been an entry to take at 850. But you know, it's actually holding. It might actually work out to take out this Asian low. So if somebody would have gotten it right here, that would have been a nice sell entry. But I don't like the way price moving right now. I really don't. I don't like it. The heck was that? Oh, I'm so tempted to eat this. That's my favorite chocolate bar in the whole wide world. But I haven't had breakfast yet, so. D-Trader, no. The ATR value? What that mean? What is that? That's tough, man. You just lost 2 Express accounts? Dang, man. RIP. God almighty. It's alright, man. We in this together. Yeah, price action is like after the market open. Let me see where I'm talking about. I'm looking. Yeah, after the market opened at like 9, it had this impulsive move to the downside, and then man, listen, I saw that happen. I was like, man, anytime price move like that, it's gonna push right back up. That's what it did. It came impulsively, like it was just gonna drop, and give a nice little setup and keep dropping. No, it did this crap here, and then pushed right back up, and now it's consolidating. Yeah, so these are definitely low probability conditions. So it's very good to know when there are low probability conditions. And I'm telling y'all right now, it is low probability conditions. You don't want to be risking a lot. No 5 contracts. Because it's like, if you don't find something that's like right at the time where you trade at, it's like, it's already suspect. Like, it didn't really find nothing at the 950 macro. Not for me, anyways. Not for me. And you have to wait. But Yeah. I forgot what I was talking about. Well, if I don't trade for New York, I'm gonna trade Asian. Well, if I don't take a trade for New York, because this is trash. I'm not. I thought this was gonna be better than this. It had such a beautiful setup for Asian session. It's like New York session. It's like, bleh. Just throw up. I mean, look at ES. I mean, ES did take the previous daily high though. There was an opportunity, but I just don't trade 850, man. I would just be getting myself together. Like, but we do have 9 minutes left, so might find something at 1050 macro. Like, am I tripping? Like, why are these ticks worth so much? Like, what is happening? Is this micro? Yeah, this is micro. Like, what the heck? 74 ticks? Like, what is going on? Yeah, I have experience in Asian session. I showed you guys. Were you here when I showed you guys my Asian strategy thing from last night? Man, like, what the world, bro? Anybody can explain that to me though? Like, why is this 55 ticks? One candle will run you 40 points. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, this is not normal. Like, this is not normally what it looks like with 50 ticks and 100 ticks. This will normally be like 20 to 30 ticks. Like, why is it? I'm not understanding that. Like, I'm trying to measure if I go ahead and take a sell off of this fair value gap, because it's rejecting off of it. It did invert this. Like, it's inverting it. It would be like a risky trade, but I'm looking at the freaking stop loss and the 50 ticks. I don't understand that. That's not adding up for me. It normally don't be like that. Like, this right here normally be like 6 to 7 ticks, but it's already like this. And I don't like this vibe. I don't like this. Yeah. Basically from 6, the market opens at 6, so I'll show you. Yeah. And then also the trading guide, the contracts measure different. So if you trade micros for like one contract, it'll be equals 5 contracts for Asian. You know what I mean? So instead of, you know, thinking one contract risking 50 pips or ticks or points or whatever, it'll be 50 ticks. It'll be actually 10 instead of 50. 10 is equal to 50 ticks in Asian. I don't know about 200 tick movements though. You might have 100 or less. I don't know about 200 though. Because you gotta think, like, Asian session, it's always gonna consolidate. You always gonna have that like little consolidating range for Asian. But last night just was a beautiful setup. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was a beautiful setup. I can show it on ES real quick, because it showed up on ES. Wait, that's not it. Oh, it was right here. I'm tripping. Alright, so okay, it looks like it's selling off of this right here. I don't like this, man. This is 26 ticks, bro. This is insane, bro. This is insane. That's 26 ticks. This would normally be like 10, 15 ticks right here. But okay, so you basically measure from 6 to 7. You take the high and the low from 6 to 7 p.m., right? This is the initial sell buy side. This will be your buy side. And then you can use this previous daily low as your initial sell side liquidity. So it took out the sell side. So in this case, this would be the initial sell side. It took that out from the SMT right here and then took off. So that's basically the Asian session in a nutshell. From 6 to 7. And then, oh yeah, you mark your gap. You mark your end dog. New day opening gap right here. Now, if you'll basically be targeting the end dog. Basically, that'll be your TP. Or, of course, you can have this to be TP1. And then, like, you know, your end dog to be TP2. You're basically targeting the end dog. It's basically like a magnet once the market opens. You're targeting the gap for the liquidity for that particular session. Now, this is the SMT. It took out a low SMT here. And then it had a gap right here. But it did not tap into the gap. It was a bullish order block instead. And this way you would have gotten stop loss would have been here. And then that would have been sheesh. Look at that. 1 to 6 risk to reward. That's basically the Asian strategy right there in a nutshell. You get the high and the low from 6 to 7. You mark that as your buy side and sell side liquidity. And then you wait for it to take out that high or the low. You wait for a displacement to the other direction. That's basically it for that. Then this is why I didn't get in for this sell. I thought about it though, but yeah, I don't like the way price is moving right now, y'all. But we are in the 1050 macro though, so we'll see what happens. Did you catch that, the trading guy? Are you still here? And see, look at that. It just rejected off of the end dog again on ES. It don't seem like they're seem like there's just not an entry, bro. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not forcing it. I don't want to force it. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So that's some little sauce. That's some little sauce right there that you can use for Asian session. But back test it first. I would say back test it and forward tested it. Test it for a couple of days though before you actually trade live on it, because you don't want to be, you know, doing it too soon and don't, you know, understand it before you actually get in and trade it. So yeah, that's another thing how I pass accounts a little faster by trading London and Asian, because it's like you have that break between, I mean, not London and Asian, I mean New York and Asian, because you have that little break. So say if I already took a trade already today, you don't really have to get on the charts until after 7 o'clock. That's because that's when you mark your high, your buy side and your sell side. You'll basically wait for one of those to be taken out. You target the end dog, and then, you know, but I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it don't work always. It don't always work that way, because sometimes the new day opening gap will be left open and it will keep trending the other direction, but eventually it will come back to that. It has to come and take it out. It has, you know, with all gaps, they have to be filled. So it's just a matter of just matching time with price. Alright, so this is a 2-minute gap here. It just took out this high. Uh-oh. I'm still not taking it, because it hasn't taken out a high or a low. I mean, it took out the London low, but it's in the middle of the range. Like, it took out the London low here, but it's in the middle of the freaking range, bro. And then plus these the way these the movement is crazy with the ticks. Like, it's like I'm risking so much. Like, the movement of the, I'm not liking the movement, bro. I'm really not. Alright, I'm looking at ES right now. There is equal lows right here. It's a 5-minute gap that it did tap into. Let me see if y'all can see. Good morning, Audrey. What's up? Good morning. Happy New Year. What's going on, Michael? See, man, this market is, I don't know, man. But the target can be these equal lows though. Right now. I want to see what the risk is on ES though. And for this Asian low. Let me see what ES talking about. Let me see. So I'll be risking 12. So how much is 12? You was trying to follow and copy me with your swab. Who? What is that? What is Schwab? What is that? You ain't been following me. I don't know what that is. I don't know who. I don't know who. What, when, where, and how. Who is that? Okay, ES seems like it's a more safe option, because if I risk 5 contracts, I'll be risking $300. That's fine, cause I don't know what Nas got going on, bro. I don't know what Nas got going on. So if I risk these 12 on 5 contracts, I'm gonna be risking $300. And there are some equal lows, relative equal lows down here. It's a broker company. What is the minimum that I need to have to start? You need to have 25,000. What the heck? It's a broker company. Are you in the United States? Where are you at? I have never heard of that, unless I'm really unknowledgeable on that. I need to kind of come back up here and tap this for me and trigger me in for ES, because I feel like it's gonna target these equal lows and then go ahead and take out this Asian low, and then there can be a possible opportunity for it to gain more if it's really wanting to be bearish, to continue down and take out the monthly low, previous monthly low. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at ES, because I don't know what Nas doing. I don't know what NASDAQ is doing. Can y'all see this? Let me go back. Okay. Good morning, Jamal. Are you in the US? That's crazy. I've never heard of that broker. How long have you been trading? I have to ask you these questions first, because I can't really tell you how much you have to really decide how much you want to start with. I can't really tell you that. I can give you some advice in my opinion, but I don't want you to just do what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? You have to be solid in the confidence of how much you want to risk for yourself. Because it may not work for you if I'm telling you to put in $200 and then you may blow that as soon as you put it in there. You know what I'm saying? So how long have you been trading? Because if you're a beginner, you might just need to stay in the demo for a minute. I would never advise a beginner to get in the markets right away. But I need to know some. You're a starter, to be honest, and I can afford to start with 500. How like, do you have, how many years or months, or how long has it been? You can afford to lose. Okay, that's a good mindset to have, Michael. I'm just making sure, because before you do anything, you got to make sure you don't want to risk anything that you can't afford to lose. You don't need to be putting your life savings in it. Okay, y'all. I think I don't want it to leave without me. This is the 5-minute fair value gap. I don't want it to leave without me, and I feel like it's gonna take these equal lows right here. That's just an odd entry though, because there is also a gap right here. 5 months. Okay. Okay. I mean, you said you can afford to lose it. Are you trading futures? You trading futures, right? Well, you got to be trading futures if you learn the ICT concepts. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your decision. I can't really tell you. You know what I'm saying? You say you copying me. I tell y'all, I'm not a guru. I'm telling y'all this right now. I come on here and I'm just trading my, showing you guys my journey of a up and coming profitable trader. I do have more experience under my belt, but I'm still aiming to be more profitable. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this sell right here. I think I'm gonna put it's gonna be futures though. It's gonna be on the futures account. I mean, I don't know what I was just talking about. It's gonna be on ES is what I was trying to say. I'm not gonna lie, this looking slick like a displacement to the upside. But there's a lot of relative equal lows sitting right here. Yeah, this slick looking like a displacement to the upside. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna wait a little while. It's looking like a displacement on ES as well. I gotta do Discord or something so I can connect with you guys. You can email me for now. I'm watching this, y'all. Okay, I think I'm gonna get in on NAS because I think NAS hasn't taken out the equal lows, so how many contracts? What the world? Alright, I just missed it. I can't get myself together, bro. I got you, Michael. Just hold on. I'm trying to I don't miss my entry. Could not catch it. I was gonna get in on NAS, but it's like I couldn't freaking. Now I want to show up. It's all good. Whatever. I'm not about to stress. Yeah, it took out those equal lows. But yeah, my email is in the is in my bio. It's in my bio. Always be prepared, guys, to get your entry. I missed it. It just kept dropping. I was thinking it probably would have displaced though, because there was a SMT right there, and it was a 2-minute opportunity right there. So I just don't like the risk on NAS. I don't like the risk on NAS. That's why I was looking at yes. But yeah, Michael, take your time. Don't be in a rush to put in real funds yet. I haven't heard of that broker though, because a lot of people, when you trade futures, a lot of people use are they even on here? Let me see if they on the list. You say Schwab? Okay, they must have their own platform then. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, man, I missed my entry, bro. It's finna take out them Asian lows. Oh, you know what? I want to get in on ES. I don't want to give in on Anda. I think I'm gonna hop in because it just tapped into this gap right here. Oh, so you'll be trading on Forex? You'll be trading Forex? Yeah, I don't know. That stop loss would have to be 18 ticks. Let me see how much that would be. Well, might as well round it up to 19. Yeah, I have to use 3 contracts for that to be my stop loss. I'm tripping. I forgot I gotta go on here and take the trade, not freaking. Hold on, I was trying to do 3. This thing did 4. I gotta get it together, y'all. All this new to me, trading on freaking trading view. Alright. So I'm looking for this to be my take profit, but that's 19. I gotta use 4. So I'm looking at like 380. Bruh. I'm trying to put a freaking... Got too much going on, bro. Bruh. That's why. Okay. It'll be a buy limit, not a sell limit. Buy stop, I mean. 4, not 3. Sheesh, man. My God. Because I'm on the wrong freaking... Y'all seeing in real time me figuring this out. Golly. Now I'm going to have to redo this because... Bruh. Alright. Good morning, King Reaper. Good morning. I just got in the sale. It's looking a little suspect right now, though. Of course, right when I get in, but yeah, I'm just looking for it to take out this Asian low. But I have you know, it's a high time frame sell side liquidity right here that I marked on the high time frame for my overall. So I'm just looking to get like 62 ticks out of this trade. But yeah, so I saw some momentum, some rejection. I'm risking like what, 280 something? $380. It was supposed to be 3 contracts, but I'm still trying to figure out this trading view situation. With taking trades on trading view. So I do not like the way it's moving. I waited. It is freaking 11:14. I waited all freaking day. I waited all day, and it's just... As soon as I get in, it does this, all this rejection right here. But I'm not gonna lie, I was having trouble because I was trying to see you later. Okay, cool, drive safe. So yeah, so I got in the sell here for it to aim to take out these Asian lows because it was these equal lows, which it did take out these equal lows. So I wanted it to come back up and not stop me out, but come back up and reject and invert this fair value gap here, and then continue to trade lower. But I don't think it's doing that now because it seemed like it's trying to... I mean, it's rejecting, but yeah, I'm risking like 3 something. 380. Which is still not a lot though, but My max daily is like 400. So that'll be the, obviously this will be the only trade that I'll be taking for this particular session. So now we wait. I'm not moving my stop loss. I'm locked in. Wait, you can trade on TradingView now. Yeah, you can be trade on TradingView live records. This is my funded futures. Yeah, you can trade on TradingView. You didn't know that? Yeah, they have if you go to the broker list, they have specific brokers that you can trade on TradingView with. I don't have a Top Step account right now, so that's why I'm not trading Top Step. Yeah, it's not gonna play out. Like I don't freaking know. I should have waited for it to take out this Asian low though. But being that it pulled back to this 2-minute fair value got really good, and then it pushed lower, I was thinking, okay, it's gonna go ahead and take out these lows and then take out the Asian low. But of course, as soon as I get in, yeah, I'm still be trading on Top Step. I just don't have any accounts right now. Yeah, I just don't have any accounts right now. But yeah, I still rock with Top Step now. Yeah, I'm still rocking with Top Step. I don't like the way it's moving though. It's like I had so much trouble trying to get in this trade. It was only supposed to be 3 contracts, so it's like I just feel uneasy right now. I'm not gonna lie. I feel real uneasy. I don't like feeling like this when I'm in a trade. But like I'm still a beginner when it comes to trading on TradingView. Like this is only my 3rd trade I'm trading on TradingView, so I had some trouble. It might end up stopping me out. But I'm in the trade now. It's like I don't want to cut it prematurely. I have my stop loss. I don't want to move my stop loss. I have my risk set, so it is what it is at this point. It's like it just started rejecting here randomly. Like there is no level or nothing down here. Like as soon as I hop in, it just had 4 freaking 2-minute rejections right here, which is wild. Like that is wild. Like it's no type of like important level right there or nothing. That's the job that be blowing me though, because it's like you wait for your setup and it's like as soon as you get in, what? 9 this morning? What? I don't like the way this moving, but I'm gonna hold it though. It's okay, live records. Just make sure you journal and figure out, you know, see why you lost. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do my screenshot. Oh, you know what? I should be able to do it right here. Man. If you're new here, tell me where you from. I gotta mark these in my journal, y'all, cause I will forget. Oh, it's not showing the execution. Now I'm gonna have to do a real screenshot. Today is the 2nd. Yeah, like what happened? Like, was you on top step? Ooh, shoot. So you must had a trade copier or something. What's up, yo, quick? See, now we have these equal loads down here, so it should come away and take these out down here, man. This mouse is so disrespectful. I got to get the batteries for my other one. This is I don't like this mouse, man. If people are trying to, what you mean? Oh yeah, becomes assist. Yeah, that's too much to handle at one time. I'm not gonna lie. This is nasty work. Nasty work. Well, that's it for me, bro. That's it. How do I do? I want to see my other trades. I'll figure all that out. So yeah, it's my P&L right now for this account. Yeah. At the most, like I think I had like three evals at one time. Yeah, I just took a L. I really I say the only thing I could have done better was wait for it to take out the low first. But the way it was moving off, it rejected, it inverted this gap, it created another gap here and inverted that. So that's why I had got in here. I was expecting for it to come up into this gap, so I wasn't really worried about being a drawdown here. I was expecting for it to do that, but it just, you know, stopped me out. So So yeah. I was just so sure that it was gonna go ahead and take it out though. But see, it didn't like displace. Like it was an opportunity for it to displace off of this fair value gap because it was an SMT right here, but it didn't. So when it took out both of these lows, I was like, okay, yeah, it's gonna definitely continue to trade lower with all this sell pressure. You know what I'm saying? Coming back up, pulling back, and then coming back down, and then excuse me, this lower high is lower than this high, so that's why I had got in sales basically. But obviously it still have some leftover freaking trashy price action from last year. So but like I said, what I could have done better was wait for it to take out this low, because it was basically, and for NAS too, because if I would have got on NAS I would have lost it too, and because it's still in this range right here. So it hasn't taken out the previous daily high. It took out the previous daily low in Asian session. So that's why we had this big, and that's another thing, it was a big expansion overnight. Yeah. Oh, okay, appreciate it, Live Records, but yeah, I agree with your quit though. Yeah, stick to one. How long you been trading your quit? Yeah, 3 at least. 3 at the most, because I know I had 3 at one time, but I was trading them 1 at a time though. That's the thing. If you're gonna have multiple evals like that, it's like trade 1 at a time unless you have a trade copier. But did you have a trade copier though? You had to have had a trade copier. There's no way it was bouncing through 9 evals like 1 at a time, unless you're talking about over time though. Like, but you say this morning you blew more than 9. We shoot. Yeah, you gotta be more careful. That's a lot of money, bro. That's a lot of money to be losing. I ain't gonna lie, it's like I slick do want to trade 850 macro, because it's like it showed a move, it showed a freaking sell opportunity, but when it came down to after 9 o'clock, it's like everything just went down after that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I was talking about Live Records, like how long live Records been trading. That's a lot, bro. You don't want to be losing. That's a lot, bro. I ain't never heard of that. That's a lot. That is a lot. Oh, you back? Yeah, I took a it stopped me out. I don't know, bro. I might need to chill on the live streams, bro. My winning rate has went down completely ever since I started streaming. I'm not gonna lie. It's like I'll lose some, but dang, I ain't been losing this much. I ain't even much gonna lie. But I mean, but it's like I do on a live stream though. I do. I enjoy it, but I don't know. As far as my trading, like I don't know. It's just I can't explain it. But yeah, this probably just would have been that one short right there. But like when I thought about getting in, like price was already down here, so I was like, I had to have intentionally have like a sell limit right here for it to come back up. The market done got me again, bro. Well, that's it, bro. I done took 370 something loss, 376 loss. My max daily is the freaking 400. So I try not to lose more than 400 in a session. So oh, this ain't even update. So it don't, okay, so it's gonna update probably after 6 then. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing about Top Step. I like about Top Step. Like, you see where you are on the dashboard itself. All I have is this right here. And it's not gonna refresh on my funded futures until yeah, I'm down 376. I'm done to grave for real. But you guys see it here live. I was expecting better price action. I'm not gonna lie, I might I don't need to do it. I'm done. I was about to say I might freaking try to trade afternoon session, but already, yeah. I'll just wait till after 6. I'll just wait till after 6 because I don't want to. Well, I don't want to say force nothing, but I really thought it was gonna go ahead and take out this Asian low because I mean it was like right there, like literally this candle right here. It was like right there. So yeah. So yeah, then it's starting to consolidate real bad. Oh, for order placement. Yeah, all these right here, and it's like soon as I got in, it's like soon as I got in, I waited for a decent entry, and soon as I got in, like right here where these wicks happen, it reversed. Yeah, you'll quit. Yeah. But it's like the way price action was moving though, it wasn't a discount. It was because I went ahead and did this from Asian low to previous daily high. It was definitely in a discount. But I was just thinking it was gonna take out them Asian lows. I did it on NASDAQ because it's basically the same for ES. Yeah. Yeah, this midnight opening price. This orange line is the midnight opening price. Yeah. Yeah, I know, like, I know the lows is not gonna always get taken. I just thought the way price action was moving, like, you were just gonna go ahead and take it out. You know what I'm saying? That's what I thought, anyway. But see how it did the same thing for NAS. Like, it got all the way up here close to the previous daily high, and then it just turn right around. But yeah, it's really dangerous trying to hop in right now because it's still in its little consolidation. I want to look on the daily real quick. Yeah, see, it started consolidating. When you see that consolidating on the higher time frame, that's so freaking dangerous. With my P&L, yeah, I showed it already, but it's my P&L. I lost 376 on this trade, so that's why my account. Yeah, I was trying to take that 1050 to 1110 macro. 1050 right here to 1110 macro, which was why this right here dropped. But I thought it was gonna use, instead of doing that, I thought it was gonna use the rest of it, because I got in around 1104, and then like it just, every candle just was rejecting right when I got in. Literally, I can't stand when it does that, because it's like, why get in? Why, like, it just did it as soon as I got in. It just reversed as soon as I got in. So yeah. So like I said, what I could do better is wait for it to take. I should have waited for it to take out a low. That's basically my strategy anyways. Wait for it to take out a low or a high, and then wait for a displacement. But I got fooled and trickeried up with this price action for ES. But NAS did the same thing. But I really took ES because of the risk. It seemed like with NAS, it's like the contracts was worth so much. Like what normally would be 10 ticks was like 30, 40, 50, 60 ticks. Like that's why I took ES instead, because the risk was better. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened here. It's not, it's just messy, bro. Even when it took out these lows, it really didn't give like an entry, because look at the way it trucked up. Like it wasn't even a decent buy entry to get in for buys. Look at this. It just wicked this way up. Oh yeah, of course. Okay. I still use Top Step Live Records. I still use Top Step. I just don't have an account with them right now, because I breached my last one, so I didn't buy any yet. I still rock with Top Step though. Yeah. Gotta do my screenshots. Yeah, that put a bad taste in my mouth. Like, put a bad taste in my mouth, bro. This should have probably just got intentional on ES and just got in right at this fair value gap here. That at least catch something. But that was it. That was like the short span of my setup. Like it happened in such a small freaking window. Like, and then it really wasn't like, it wasn't an A+ setup. It wasn't. It was like a freaking B+ setup. That was the problem. Okay. All right. I hate this mouse. I really do. Like what is this? And where's my other screenshots? Golly, what is y'all tripping? Alright. It is Thursday. $376.96. Contract size was 4. Yeah, I was thinking about that, yo, quick. I was thinking about that. I'm still on the fence, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm really still on the fence. Obviously, low probability conditions. There was 8:30 news. Excuse me. Whew. See, this how I know that it wasn't really a solid setup, because I can't even pinpoint what the freaking what it was. I can't even pinpoint why I got in. I guess it would have been a continuation trade, yeah. That's what I'm saying, y'all. I'm not the best trader on YouTube right now. I will admit that. Yeah, I thought about that. I'm just showing my journey right now, though. I'll see, man. I'm not like extremely mad. I'm annoyed more than anything. Alright, guys, well, unfortunately it was another L today. Eventually I will win a trade eventually, but this is the real with trading. So yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm reevaluating live streaming. I'm not gonna lie, because I was not losing this much before I started streaming. Just keeping it a book with y'all. Like, I was not losing this much trading on my own. But it's like I want to share my journey, but I think maybe I did it too soon. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try to stick it out, but I'll see like if anything like changes or something. But I might end up just I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. But so yeah, you guys basically saw from I got on here like around like 9:20, 9:30. It's 11:45. Thank you, Live Records. I mean, I believe in myself. It's just, I don't know, man. It's like my edge. I don't know. I'm missing my edge or something. I'm just not 100%. I don't know. Yeah, you'll quit. I don't know. I have some decisions to make, but I mean, it was my time. Like, I was patient. It was a better entry around 850. Like right here. when this right here, that was a better trade, but I wasn't even at my computer. My computer wasn't even on, so I just came and saw that right there. So it really wasn't like a huge opportunity to get in. I mean, it was fair value gap right here, but it still ended up like pushing all the way up. It still would have got stopped out because my stop loss would have been like right here. So yeah, it would have been like right here. So I don't know. Yeah, maybe I do need to do that. Maybe I do need to turn the chat off. But I was more I didn't call you. But yeah, I have some decisions to make though, for real. I have some decisions to make because I ain't been losing as much. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm kind of still sitting in it, trying to refresh my brain. Shut my door, please. So yeah, I have a decision to make. But it's like I enjoy it. I really enjoy streaming. I enjoy hopping on here and stuff. But I don't know. I have a decision to make because it's like I promise you, I'm not this bad of a trader. I'm really not. Like I'll be, you know, catching some ticks. Now I'll be catching some pips, but I don't know. Yeah, that's what I was doing at first. Like kind of doing. I was recording myself. And then posting them. I don't know. I'll pray about it. And see what I do. Or I might just like live stream, have set days that I live stream, or well, I wouldn't say set days, but like choose 2 days out the week instead of like every day or whatever. I'll figure it out. Yep, NBA vibes. Yeah, everything takes time. Cause like I was doing so well, and it's like once I started streaming, it's like dun dun dun. It's like trash. Like dang. Like I promise y'all, I don't be losing as much. I really don't. Like I have losing streaks, but like I don't know, bro. But anyways, I mean it happens. Even if I did lose like this, I mean it happens. Even to have 2 weeks of losing streaks, I mean it happens. But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. We are headed to 11:50. Let me see, is another macro, but it still hasn't taken out. It still hasn't taken out a low. It hasn't taken out the previous daily high, so it's like it really would just be risky trying to even hop in anything, and it just, yeah. But yeah, I won't be streaming tomorrow anyway though, because my best friend is having surgery tomorrow, and you know I have to be her designated driver, and you know when you have surgery, like you have to be in there butt crack early. So yeah, I won't be streaming tomorrow anyway, so I'll keep you guys updated with what I do. I may drop like a I don't know, I feel like a Telegram is a little easier than a Discord, but I don't really have time for no scammers. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's like when you expose yourself, you always gonna have imposters that's gonna freaking pose as you to try to get money out of people. And that's, I mean, I know what every Discord or any community, like you always gonna have that one person that's gonna try to use your face to get money out of people. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I do want to have a community though. I really do. So we all can grow together and stuff like that. But I'll figure all that stuff out. So I'm not sure when I'll see you guys. I gotta take this weekend to kind of see what I'm gonna do with my next step with live streaming. But I'm not gonna lie, I do wanna continue to do it. I may not just do it often, because I still want to have the days that if I feel like every trade that I lose, I'm live stream and I win when I'm not streaming, then that was, that might have to be. I might have to not stream, y'all. I don't know. But we'll figure it out though. But that's why I'm gonna do my community so I can still like chat with you guys and probably do like a Zoom or something and just chat with y'all that way, and just maybe like a back testing session. Then that can be my time that I can really vibe with y'all and stuff like that. I may just do that instead of live stream because it has been affecting my trading. So the car video with the inspiration speed. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, I didn't like it. I didn't like it because it was so close, but I was having so much problems with my car phone thing, carrier thing, so it had to be like that close. I didn't like that. But yeah, I want to do more. I want to do more videos like that too, just talking. You know what I'm saying? Because I do want to, like explain to just tell you guys my journey, and what my thoughts are and stuff like that. But thank you guys. God bless 19 of you guys. Thank y'all so much for walking with me. This has been like, I think it's been about 4 weeks. I think I have like 9 videos. I think this will make the 9th video. I think this will be the 9th video of me streaming, I think, but it seems like it's been a little longer than that. So yeah, I just started streaming, but like my record, I'm not gonna lie, between those days, like my trades has been, I don't know. But I blew one of my express accounts on my other. Oh, Michelle, that's, yeah, you ain't been in the chat. Yeah, yo, quit, yeah. Blew my express accounts and I'm up 6 on my other one. Blew it in one freaking day and I was already up. Yeah. Dang, man. It's okay. But it's like it's like you have to hold yourself accountable and be disciplined, but not to the point to where you're like super angry about it. You just kind of have to let it rub off. You know what I'm saying? And kind of just because at the end of the day with trading, you just have to like keep going. You can't give up. You can't dwell on it too much. It's okay to sit in it for you to have discipline. And y'all can hear me? You're not getting the sound? Is there just no audio current? Y'all can hear me? I can hear me? Yeah. So it just locked it, yeah. It happens, Michelle. Don't beat yourself up too much about it. Can y'all hear me though? Somebody said they couldn't hear me. They don't have sound. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Thank you for streaming. It helps me in this. Thank you, Kalia. But I was just talking to Michelle. I was like, I ain't gonna lie, my win rate has gone down since I've been streaming. So I think what I might do is create a community so I can still like connect with you guys, and then probably do like a private like Zoom or something every now and then so I can still talk with y'all and connect. Because I don't know, it's like I'm cool, but I feel like I'm losing my edge a little bit. Like something is off. Like maybe I'm reading the comments too much or something like that. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do that. But I'm still gonna have to like tell y'all about it. I guess just check the communities tab. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Sunmaster. Thank you so much. Can't have that. We can alternate. Okay, we can kind of have something like that. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna use Discord or Telegram, because I know Telegram you still can like stream, yeah, to study together. Yeah, I think that's what I might do, Michelle. I might do. No, I'm not nervous, Khalil. I don't know. It's like I'm cool. I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's my edge. I think I'm losing my edge. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm not, because you have to be very like focus when you're getting in. You know what I'm saying? But maybe I'm losing my edge because I'm just connecting too much with the chat. I don't know. I really don't know. I gotta figure it out. I gotta pray about it. And see what I want to do. It is a difference. Thank you, Michelle. It is a difference. But it's not like I'm nervous or anything. I mean, I always get nervous when I do something. Even when I play every Sunday at my church, like I always get nervous and I do it every Sunday. But I may get like a little nervousness, but it's not to the point to where I'm like, oh my God, like super nervous. Like it's not that, but I don't know. But it is like different when you train live because it's like you don't want to do too much because when nobody's looking, you can be a little more. You have a little bit more edge. You know what I'm saying? But I'll figure that out, y'all. But I won't be streaming tomorrow because, like I said, my best friend is having surgery tomorrow, so I'll be her driver and whatnot, making sure she's straight and stuff like that. So I won't be streaming tomorrow. So I'll have the weekend to kind of think about it. But I think I am leaning towards like trading on my own and doing recaps like I've been doing, and like editing the videos and just posting them like that, and then have a separate community where I may go live here and there, or like Graves was saying, we can alternate between me, him, and Michelle. Maybe we can, because I do want to have a community where we can kind of stick together and hold each other accountable. We can have accountability partners to where like, hey, how much did you risk today? You know what I'm saying? Like, thank you, DG. Thank you so much. No, I don't trade full time. I'm a musician. That's basically where my income comes from. But yeah, you can have accountability partners where we like, hey, we hit each other up. How much you risk today? Like, did you journal your trades today? Did you like, do all your rules? Like, we could kind of like, you know what I'm saying? I heard of Doyle. I never been in his community though. I just been I learned from Swaggy. I heard about ICT concepts with Kenzo through the Forex Heights. He's dope. He is so dope, bro. I mean, I'm actually in one of his discords, but he don't really do too much in his group. Like, he have other people in there, but it's like he don't really be there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so yeah, I think I might do that. I might which one y'all think would be easier, Discord or Telegram? I feel like Discord may be like more organized because you can have moderators and stuff, and then you can have like a talk session. Like, you can go in there and just talk, and then I can show my screen and stuff like that and kind of do stuff like that. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And what I want to do, I want to have all my day ones in there. Everybody get in like the first maybe like the first 7 days. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, DG. Okay, Discord. Okay, cool. I think like the first 7 days to get everybody in there for free. And then like whenever I do live stream, and then if people want to come in, then that's when I'll do the paid side. It might be just a one-time fee or something like that for my time, because if I'm gonna be doing back testing sessions and stuff like that, we'll see, because I promise y'all I'm not like this bad of a trader, bro. I'm really not. But I feel like my edge is like, I just feel when I got in this trade today, it just didn't feel. I just didn't feel 100%. I wouldn't feel 100%. I got in the trade. I had my reasons for getting in the trade, but it's like I had issues getting in the trade. If y'all saw me execute that trade, I had issues getting in that trade. Like, I couldn't really. I don't know. I was just off. You know what I'm saying? It's just like you just know when you just not 100%. Hold on a second. Okay, my niece is coming, so it's gonna get loud. I'll tell y'all this right now. My niece is 4. What's up, Thurl? How long I've been trading? 5 years now. 2025 made 5 years. But all right, cool. So I'm gonna be working on a Discord. Thank you, Grave. I'm gonna be working on the Discord. So I want to get all my day ones in there for completely free. I want everybody in there so we can go ahead and connect, and what your inclusive. Okay, I will, yo, quit. I definitely will, and then I will drop the Discord link once I get it started and everything, and then just go on there. But I want to have my day ones in there, like all y'all that's here first. Y'all get in completely free. And then from there, if I decide to, I think I'm gonna still live stream, but I'm not gonna do it every day. I may take like 1 or 2 days out of the week. Maybe it may just be one. I'm not gonna lie.
The packet is received.
Okay. The door lock.
Granny, lock the door. She's in the.
She got her iPad.
Yeah, she got her iPad and her phone.
Okay, cool.
Want to see Coco?
Okay. Hey, Stinky Butt.
Look.
Hey.
She brought you some cookies.
You bought this for me?
Yeah.
And look what my niece got me, y'all.
Yeah. When I came to pick her up, she was like, I got some cookies for Auntie Coco.
Oh, give me a hug.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hey, guys.
All right. This is my goddaughter, y'all. That's right. Who I be talking about. All right, girl. Your hair messed up.
You talking about us on the video?
Not in a bad way. Your hair messed up. All right, bye, guys. Bye, guys. In a minute.
So them two go. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. I'll give it to you in a minute, okay? All right. Sorry about that. They're chilling. My niece is here, so that's so sweet. These are another one of my favorite. Shit. You know what? It's the thought that counts. It's the thought that counts. Yo. Look. It's the thought that counts. She got brownie points for that. Oh, man. That just cracked me up. It's the thought that counts. But, it's the thought that counts. Not the cookie text. Oh, man. That was hilarious. I know, right? They just made my day. She said, I want to give these cookies to Auntie Coco. I said, oh, thank you so much. And they open, y'all. They open. How many in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. All right. Well, at least she wanted to share with her auntie. At least she wanted to share with her auntie. But all right, guys, I will be working on a Discord community because I do love you guys and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And who said that? Somebody said, "Will I be considered a day one?" Who said that? Oh, thorough. Yeah, I think you was with me. I think the second week. I think. Yeah. For sure. But I know for sure. Michelle, Reese, Trader Graves, Kashaya, Yoquet. I think Yoquet and Live Records kind of came the second week. So it's like I remember y'all names. Can't forget T Money too. T Money was actually on my very, very first one that I did a test stream a while back. Oh, can't forget Jay Jackson, y'all. He a day one too. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all so much. God bless each and every last one of y'all. I do enjoy streaming. I just think I can't trade and stream. I think it's just gonna be more of a back testing session type. But I'm just feeling that I just need to trade on my own and probably upload the videos and y'all see how I trade and stuff like that, and I'll upload it that way like I've been doing at first. And then I may do if I do live stream. It may be a back tester session, or it may just be like a live stream once a week. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in the community tab, and I'll drop that Discord link, and it'll be in my bio. I'll tell y'all everything what I decide to do. Again, I will not be streaming tomorrow. My best friend has surgery tomorrow, so I'll be with her, making sure she's straight and everything, and then I'll have the weekend to go ahead and create this Discord chat, and then we just go from there, y'all. We rocking. 2025 is going to be a better year than last year. We're gonna be disciplined. We're gonna be good traders. We're gonna share our journey. We're gonna get this thing cracking, man, because we all want to be successful, man. We all want to be successful. Please stay safe out there. It's some stuff going out there in the world, terrorist attacks and everything, so y'all please stay safe. Be inside. I'm not gonna lie, I don't be outside. I just be outside for church, groceries, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I don't really be outside like that. Not saying that you don't need to be. You know what I'm saying? Not saying that you don't need to go out, because it's okay to go out. I'm not saying don't do that, but just be careful, man. Just be very, very careful with where you go, and watch your surroundings, because we're living in the last days. Keep God first, always and forever, and repent daily. I think that's about it. I will keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Love y'all. Peace.
It